Hi, my name is Masha Karubian, and I'm eWomen Network. I'm Managing Director for Los Angeles chapter. We are wrapping up right now the second day of the two-day intensive workshop with Tracy Trottenberg, and my desire to be part of this workshop is to improve my leadership skills, is to be a more effective speaker, and that means ability to be a good active listener and be able to connect. My expectations were absolutely met, and I would tell you more. It was a truly transformational experience that made me a better connector, that made me learn how important it is to breathe and take pauses and learn how to be of service to my audience. It is highly recommended and very important for all leaders, everyone who is in front of people, managers, directors, people of influence to take this workshop. I am all in, and Tracy is an amazing facilitator and truly a wonderful mentor. Thank you, Tracy.